And then a man is behind bars today following a police chase that ended with him barricading himself inside of a U-Haul truck in the parking lot of a Sierra Vista Medical Center this morning. And because of this, the Canyon Vista Medical Center and that surrounding area was put on lockdown. It all started around 6 a.m. when Sierra Vista police say a woman called them to report that she'd been hit in the head by her friend. She said the man then left with her dog in a U-Haul truck. Officers found the truck at a gas station, then chased it to the medical center where the man barricaded himself inside. At one point, police say he could be seen acting violently to the dog. The standoff lasted more than an hour. Eventually, that man was taken into custody. Police say the dog was okay and returned to its owner.